Hi guys, or Rusty Pair here. Just a quick update on the 613. I worked on it quite a bit in the last few weeks and also some other projects, but this is how it is now. So basically the ray arches are done and all the structure here at the back is also done in new metal and it's bolted to the chassis. What needs to happen still is the outside, so the panels are quite rusty. You can see like everything is brown and the joints are also beautiful, and there's also some place where it's actually like rusted through here in the corner, you can see. So those are going to be changed, but at the moment I will first make it leak free, and that means taking care of the gutters. Basically the whole length of the van needs to happen because there's some rust between the panels, and there was also like an awning on the side. I know could be better. So yeah, I still need to put connection here, and I will change this one. This is the last one that needs to be changed because it's rusted through. Everything at the front is still okay, and will just be protected. And yeah, solution for the batteries as well, because the batteries were here at the back. So this is temporary, of course. It will probably go under the seat. But yeah, and of course, like all the holes will need to be filled on the side because they're no longer needed. So you see why the side panels needs to happen still. And also those two are going to be gone because modern fridge. Yeah, here you can see the state of the sides. It's gone through as well. Not so nice repairs. So yeah, that's 613. And otherwise I also worked on this German 508. The client wanted me to put a side window in it. There was here a panel, so I provided the side window and I installed it and painted in the van as well. And the last thing I did on this one was also take care of the corner at the top. It was also rusted through, so I made a new one. Here you can see the panel that was there before the window, and also changed the diff plug because it was stuck, and the other tried to remove it, damaged the hexagonal head, so I removed it and I changed it, topped the fluid, of course. So yeah, that's what I was busy with the last couple of weeks. So stay tuned for updates. Or Rusty Pair out.